Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay and I film vlogs and lifestyle content here on YouTube. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell so that you know every time I post a video, period. Welcome back to another vlog, y'all. Today is a Friday, January 5th, and we're about to kick off the weekend. For those of you who have already seen my videos, y'all know I really like to film on the weekends, so here we are on the weekend. This weekend is gonna be pretty chill. I honestly, I'm going out tonight to celebrate Corey's birthday. Happy birthday, Corey, if you're watching, period. I'm literally about to get ready right now, and then the rest of the weekend is pretty chill. But I came on here to start the vlog and also to get ready with you guys.
Don't be so quick to walk away. Dance with me, I wanna rock your body. Please stay. Dance with me, you don't have to admit you wanna play.
Y'all, my best friend Mercedes just got to the house and she brought me some Dave's Hot Chicken. If you know me, you know I love Dave's Hot Chicken. It's so good. Let me show y'all what I got. Oh! Look at my food, y'all. Are y'all dumb? I'm about to bust this down, nigga. It smell like pickles? I do. Did you want some bread?
Yeah, I'll drive tonight since...
Are you sure? Since you drove, I was just gonna drive.
It's okay, I can drive.
Oh, okay, cute. Come on, stop playing in your feet. She playing in her feet, y'all.
They're also freshly clean feet, freshly washed feet. Less than 3 hours ago, I washed my twat. That's how I do, though. I washes my twat.
Oh,
bitch.
not too close. Not too close. Come on, bitch. Get that. Fuck. Fuckery. Wait, so what time are we leaving?
These are not sliders. Those are sandwiches.
They
that's
call
not a
they
slider.
call them sliders.
Yeah,
they call
that's
those
big.
sliders.
To call that a slider, that's big and heavy set. To call that a slider, there's nothing slider about that.
I'm gonna eat one now, one later, bitch.
That's an obesity ass slider, bitch. Obesity.
I'm gonna eat one now, one later, bitch. That's what I'm gonna do. Period.
I can give you more fries first.
Oh man, this is your first time trying it, right? Dip it in this sauce. It's so good. I meant to ask you to get me extra then.
Yeah.
Hold on, your hand, love.
Rather sweet for my liking.
All right, y'all, let's get into the playlist. Get ready with me because I got distracted. So let's see who knows 5 songs from my playlist. At least 5 songs. Now's the time to just clear the air. Put this shit back in motion. Put this shit back in motion. Okay, I'll be done in like 5 minutes. Waiting a line in the cold is crazy. Y'all know Legacy? They don't know Legacy. Well, I know Nick watches it, so hey Nick. Hey Nick. I love Nick. You know I'm looking for it, basically.
We can. Right.
The old body up, finally wasted.
Playing on the I don't care with me.
I remember my thinking couch because of how I brought the back. Put it up, got past in the house. Green, that's money, man. What say good? I ain't with me to think I'm the
She got out of jail. She done had an interview on The View.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Things felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the bodies is bad. It girls, and we can play tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way it can be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. The poop so cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling, yelling, yet yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt.
You a real ass woman. I don't wanna fight it. All right, y'all. So we actually just left the club, and I'm drunk as fuck. But it's giving one more shot. That's how y'all be getting sick when y'all be getting drunk. The key.
Hold on. Do you have something to say?
Watch that hand,
Do you
bitch.
have
$1 for a sandwich?
So you-
Y'all, I feel like I'm at McDonald's right now.
We should have went to South Street.
No shade. You wanna go to I'm down to go to South Street Diner.
Because the
bitch.
wait be too long. No
Ah!
shit. The wait.
Ah!
And I'm already in the line.
Oh my god!
You didn't like the steak last time though, so relax.
Yeah, South Street Diner, the steak was given like, I told them not too rough, and they made my steak mad rough. Like, why are you making my steak that rough? I hate when I get a steak and it's like,
Tough, like you
like
bitches.
it's like gum.
Bricky.
Wait, what you say? Repeat that. Repeat it. You said tough like who?
You got him? You got him? Damn.
They fell out.
All the tissues did not fall off the
They
box.
did.
You just
Cause
did
this
that.
box is fucked up,
She
y'all.
just did that. She
Look
just
at the
did
box,
that.
bitch. Fucked up.
She just did that. Wall.
Look at the box.
The wall.
She trying to think. Hold on, I'm gonna insert a picture of what she did in the car.
And my head hit the wall. Boom.
Bitch, we was sitting right. We was sitting in the section, bitch, in Legacy, bitch. I had said something, right? And she had laughed, bitch. And she leaned onto the wall like
She
like
said,
this.
"Doo-doo."
That's just a.
I said, oh no.
I gotta insert the picture right now, bitch. We gotta be serious when we order. Y'all, I'm at McDonald's. This is not like the smartest choice right now, but like McDonald's is the only thing that's open really late. 24/7. Y'all, if you're from Boston, you already know the Mass Ave McDonald's. It's open 24/7. There's no fees out here. There's no fees at all. But there's food. They moving a little slow. We've been in line for like 30 minutes, but still. We've definitely been here for.
Hello? Yeah, can I have a 10-piece and a large fry? And I want to do the buy one get one for $1. Can I get the quarter pound? Matter of fact, no. Can I have the quarter pounder? But can I have mac sauce on the quarter pounder? And can you make it a bacon quarter pounder and add the mac sauce on that? And then a medium fry. You got it? What you got?
I got 10 pieces, bacon with a bun of my sauce, medium fry, nice fry.
Oh, okay. With sweet as up. And then that's it.
Thank you. All right, y'all, but we are about to get our food. We're doing a mukbang tonight. We're gonna like park and eat, and we're gonna do a mukbang. I don't know why I'm talking like this. I just feel like I need to. Yeah, tonight was a great night. How do you feel about tonight?
Tonight was so funny.
Tonight was actually mad funny, nigga. Like,
It was just
that shit was fun. Hurry up when they try to. Yeah.
tonight was just one of them nights where like you don't have no set plan, but you just go out and you just have a good time and you just bask in the joy that God grants you. And it was just funny.
Amen.
It was just a funny motherfucking night, bitch. It was just
Shout out
funny.
God.
It was
Shout out
funny all
Jesus.
through the bitch. Oh, it's nothing like laughing at bitches with your friends.
On that note, I'm gonna come back when we're eating. I cannot, and I will not do this right now. What? All right, y'all, we're doing a mukbang. We have McDonald's. I have fries. And I have a 10-piece nugget.
Why are they next to us with that loud ass fucking music? I want to move. I don't even want to be near these bitches.
Don't get that. It's
I don't
okay.
want to hear that though. I
It's
have a
okay,
headache.
though. It's okay. It's not the end of the world.
No, but I feel like they're trying to be funny too though. Bitches don't want to hear that.
How are they supposed to know that bitches don't want to hear
They
that?
know. Bitches going on 4 o'clock in the morning, bitch. We don't want to hear that boom-the shit. For real. Turn that shit the fuck off.
The best McDonald's sauce is honey mustard. Argue with your mother, not me. Good morning, y'all. Today's the next day. I'm coming to y'all with a dry, ashy face, but I'm getting it together right now. I'm sorry if y'all hear my dog barking in the background. He barks at everything, like, but me. Today is Saturday, January 6th. I'm about to go run some errands really quickly. There is a snowstorm that's coming, y'all, like a really, really bad snowstorm. By the time this drops, clearly it would have already happened. I heard it's gonna be really, really bad, like high winds, lots of snow, like it's gonna be snowing non-stop, I think, for more than 24 hours. And I'm from Boston, so like the snow, it don't faze me. I don't give a damn about the snow. I'm pretty much used to it. But when I know there's a snowstorm coming, like that means that it's time to prepare. It's time to prep. And honestly, Boston did not get snow last year, so like we don't have any salt in my house like to put down for the black ice. So we're gonna go to Home Depot and grab that. And then we're also gonna run to the grocery store because it's gonna be snowing like for more than 24 hours. It's very important that we have the essential things that we feel like we need to eat, whether that be snacks or, you know, like actual food to cook meals. So we're about to go do that right now. Literally, this vlog is gonna be cut short because everything that I have planned is getting canceled. I did have something planned for tomorrow, but it's gonna be moved to another date. We rocking with the snow for the rest of the vlog. So we're about to go run errands. So yeah, that's a little bit of insight about today. We're gonna hop right into it with the errands. I'm about to throw something on right now and just, you know, get out of these pajamas and get ready to go out. It's probably gonna be hectic, but then again, probably not. It's only 12. Hopefully everybody's still in their bed from going out last night. But let's go run these errands and I will see y'all in the next clip.
Mr. J is
Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping best concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are rare, the petty is rare. I just my ex for a feature.